Located 20 minutes outside of Meeker, Colorado, Chapin Acres is nestled between the Oakridge State Wildlife Area, Middle Mountain, and the White River Valley. Situated on 5.58 acres overlooking the gold medal waters of the White River, these views are hard to beat. The 2,200 square foot home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, along with a walkout basement. The master bedroom features a large bathroom and a walkout back patio with 2 additional bedrooms on either side of the home. The kitchen fades into the dining room, while the spacious living room features large windows that highlight the tremendous views. Outside, there's a large deck that overlooks the river and mountains, perfect for hosting guests on warm summer evenings. The basement floor is cement with hydronic subfloor heating, while the main living floor also has hydronic subfloor heat with R19 insulation. The home was built angulated to receive the most amount of southern sun exposure in the winter months, making it optimal to install a solar system. There's also a landscaped yard with a fire pit as well as a greenhouse. Chapin's Place is located within minutes of hundreds of thousands of acres in the White River National Forest and is only a stone's throw away from public access fishing on the famous White River. The north end of the property backs up to Oakridge State Wildlife Area in Colorado Hunting Unit 23. A healthy elk herd, increasing numbers of mature bucks, and a few antelope on private land make Game Unit 23 attractive to many hunters. Tags for deer are relatively easy to draw, and many of the elk seasons are over the counter or are also easy to draw. The property sits 20 minutes from Meeker, Colorado, 2 hours from Grand Junction, Colorado, an hour and a half from Steamboat Springs, while Denver and its international airport are 3.5 hours away. For your own private showing, please contact Courtney Williams or Jake Highland.